Did you know that staying active after 60 can help you live up to 5 years longer? And it's not just about adding years to your life, it's about adding life to your years. The right exercises can improve your strength, balance, flexibility, and energy, making everyday tasks feel easier and keeping you independent longer. But here's the thing, not all exercises are created equal, especially as we age. That's why today we're breaking down the only 8 exercises you need to stay fit, feel amazing, and keep thriving after 60. These exercises are simple, effective, and can be done right in the comfort of your home. From building strength with bodyweight moves to improving your balance and flexibility, we've got it all covered. And don't worry, we'll walk you through every move step by step, with tips to make them work for your level. Stick with us until the end, because exercise number 8 might be the one that transforms your routine completely. It's a game changer. Before we dive in, let me ask you this. What's your biggest challenge with staying active after 60? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And while you're there, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tips on living your best life after 60. After 60, staying active isn't just about looking good or feeling fit. It's about safeguarding your health, preserving your independence, and enjoying a better quality of life. Let's talk about why exercise is so important at this stage of life, and how even small steps can lead to big changes. Preventing chronic diseases. Did you know that regular physical activity can reduce the risk of major chronic conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis by up to 50%? That's because exercise helps regulate blood pressure, improve circulation, and keep your joints and muscles strong. For example, something as simple as walking for 30 minutes a day can significantly lower your risk of heart disease. I once met a woman named Carol at a community fitness class. She told me she started exercising after a doctor warned her about rising blood sugar levels. She began with short 10-minute walks and eventually worked her way up to 45-minute sessions. Not only did she reverse her pre-diabetes, but she also found herself sleeping better and feeling more energetic. Improving mental health. Staying active isn't just good for the body, it's a game changer for the mind. Exercise boosts mood, reduces anxiety, and even helps fight depression by releasing feel-good chemicals like endorphins. It also keeps the brain sharp, reducing the risk of cognitive decline and diseases like Alzheimer's. Here's a practical tip. Combine physical and mental stimulation by taking a brisk walk while listening to your favorite audiobook or podcast. It's a simple way to nurture both your body and mind. Reducing fall risks. Falls are one of the leading causes of injury among older adults, but regular exercise can cut that risk by improving balance, flexibility, and strength. For example, practicing single-leg stands or balance exercises for just a few minutes each day can help you stay steady on your feet. A family friend of mine, Tom, used to avoid stairs after he nearly tripped and fell, but after incorporating balance exercises into his routine, like heel-to-toe walking, he's gained confidence and now takes stairs without hesitation. If you're just beginning, don't feel pressured to dive into intense workouts. Start small and focus on consistency. Take a 10-minute walk after meals to get moving. Do gentle stretches in the morning to loosen up stiff joints. Try simple chair exercises like seated leg raises or arm circles. The key is to make exercise part of your daily routine. Even a little progress is better than none at all. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about making steady, sustainable improvements. Think of exercise as a gift you give to yourself. It's never too late to start, and every small step counts toward a longer, healthier life. So what's one simple way you can move more today? Let's start with bodyweight squats, an incredible exercise to strengthen your legs, improve mobility, and make everyday activities like standing, walking, or climbing stairs much easier. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your back straight, chest lifted, and arms extended forward for balance. Slowly bend your knees, lowering your body as if sitting in a chair. Stop when your thighs are parallel to the ground or as low as feels comfortable. Push through your heels to stand back up, squeezing your glutes at the top. Tips for beginners. Use a sturdy chair behind you as a safety net. Lower yourself until you lightly touch the chair, then return to standing. Hold onto a countertop or the back of a chair for extra balance. Start with 5 reps and gradually build up to 10 to 15 as you get stronger. Why it's worth it. Bodyweight squats, improve leg strength, boost joint health and help with balance, all crucial for preventing falls. Give it a try right now. See how many you can do comfortably, and remember, every rep is a step towards stronger legs and a more independent you. Let's keep moving. Push-ups are a fantastic exercise for building upper body strength and core stability. For older adults, wall push-ups are a safe and effective alternative that's easy to incorporate into your routine. How to perform wall push-ups. Stand about 2 feet away from a sturdy wall. Place your hands flat on the wall, shoulder width apart, at chest height. Keep your feet planted, your body straight and your core engaged. Slowly bend your elbows, bringing your chest toward the wall. Keep your elbows close to your body as you lower. Push back to the starting position, using your chest and arms to straighten your elbows. Form tips. Keep your neck in a neutral position. Don't strain to look up or down. Engage your core throughout the movement to prevent arching your back. Adjust your distance from the wall for intensity. The farther you stand, the harder it gets. Benefits of wall push-ups. This exercise strengthens your chest, shoulders and triceps while engaging your core muscles for added stability. It also helps improve posture and arm strength for everyday tasks, like lifting groceries or pushing doors. Progression challenge. As you build strength, try doing more reps or standing farther from the wall to increase the difficulty. You might even work your way down to knee push-ups or full push-ups on the floor. Take the first step now. Try a set of 8 to 10 wall push-ups and feel your upper body getting stronger. Remember, progress is progress, no matter how small. Let's keep it up. Deadlifts are a fantastic exercise to strengthen your lower back, legs and core, helping to improve posture and prevent injury. And the good news is, you don't need heavy weights to get the benefits. Let's go over how you can do deadlifts using resistance bands or light weights or even household items like water bottles. How to perform deadlifts with light weights or resistance bands. Starting position. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, holding a light weight or resistance band with both hands. If you're using weights, hold them in front of your thighs with your arms straight. If you're using a resistance band, step on it with both feet, holding the handles. Hinge at the hips. Slowly bend at the hips, not the waist. Imagine you're reaching your hips back toward a wall behind you. Keep a slight bend in your knees, but avoid bending your back. Maintain a neutral spine. Your back should stay straight and your chest lifted. As you lower, keep the weight or band close to your body. Return to standing, push through your heels and stand back up, squeezing your glutes at the top. Keep your core engaged to support your lower back. Form tips. Focus on hinging at the hips, not squatting. Your torso should lean forward slightly, but never round your back. If you're using weights, keep the dumbbells or water bottles close to your legs as you lower. Always move slowly and with control. Benefits of deadlifts. Deadlifts strengthen the muscles of your lower back, hamstrings and glutes, which are critical for good posture and avoiding back pain. Stronger muscles in these areas help you maintain an upright position, reducing the risk of slouching and improving balance. Modifications and household items. If you don't have weights, you can use things like water bottles, a backpack filled with books, or even a grocery bag to add some resistance. Simply make sure the object is stable and safe to hold. Give it a try. Start with 5 to 8 reps to get a feel for the movement. Even small progress can make a huge difference in your strength and posture. And as always, listen to your body and go at your own pace. Balance is one of the most important skills to maintain as we age, and single leg stands are a simple yet powerful way to improve it. This exercise strengthens your legs, enhances coordination, and reduces the risk of falls. How to perform single leg stands. Stand tall near a sturdy surface like a wall or the back of a chair for support. Shift your weight onto one leg and slowly lift the other foot a few inches off the ground. Hold this position for as long as you can, aiming for 10 to 20 seconds. Switch legs and repeat. Form tips. Keep your chest lifted, shoulders relaxed, and core engaged. Focus your gaze on a fixed point to help with balance. If you feel unsteady, lightly rest your hand on the chair or wall. Modifications for beginners. Start by just lifting your heel off the ground, while keeping your toes in contact for stability. As you gain confidence, try lifting your entire foot off the floor for a few seconds at a time. Playful challenge. Want to test your balance? Try holding the single leg stand for 10 seconds without using any support. Can you beat your time on the second leg? Let us know in the comments how long you can hold it. Balance is like a muscle. The more you practice, the stronger it gets. Start with a few reps each day, and you'll see improvement before you know it. The heel-to-toe walk is a simple yet highly effective exercise to strengthen your gait and improve balance. It mimics the natural movement of walking, helping you stay steady on your feet and reducing the risk of falls. Plus, you can do it anywhere, no equipment needed. How to perform the heel-to-toe walk? Stand tall with your feet together and arms relaxed at your sides. Step forward with one foot, placing your heel directly in front of the toes on your other foot, as if walking on a tightrope. Slowly shift your weight onto the leading foot and bring the other foot forward, placing its heel in front of the first foot's toes. Continue walking this way for 10 to 15 steps, moving slowly and with control. Tips for proper technique. Look straight ahead rather than down at your feet. This helps maintain proper posture. Keep your core engaged to support your balance. Use a wall or sturdy surface for support if you feel unsteady. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't rush. Slow, deliberate steps are key to improving balance. Avoid wide spacing between steps. Keep your feet aligned in a straight line. Fun challenge. Here's a little test for you. Can you walk heel to toe for 10 steps without wobbling? If that's too easy, try holding a lightweight object in your hands to increase the challenge. Practicing this daily can make a big difference in your balance over time. Consistency is key with balance exercises like this. Just a few minutes a day can strengthen your stability and help you feel more confident in your movements. Give it a try and let us know how far you can go. Side leg raises are an excellent exercise to strengthen your hips, improve balance, and support better mobility. Strong hips are key to staying steady on your feet and reducing the risk of falls. How to perform side leg raises. Stand tall with your hands on your hips or holding onto a sturdy surface for support. Slowly lift one leg straight out to the side, keeping your toes pointing forward and your upper body upright. Lower your leg back down with control and repeat for 8 to 12 reps. Switch legs and repeat on the other side. Beginner modifications. Start with smaller movements if lifting your leg high feels challenging. Perform this exercise while seated, lifting one leg at a time out to the side. Tips for steady posture. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your core engaged to avoid leaning. Focus on slow, controlled movements rather than speed. Add this simple move to your daily routine. It only takes a few minutes, but makes a huge difference in strengthening your hips and improving your balance. Try it now and feel the difference. The cat-cow stretch is a gentle exercise that improves spinal flexibility, eases joint stiffness, and helps reduce back discomfort, especially great for relieving morning stiffness. How to perform the cat-cow stretch. Start on your hands and knees in a tabletop position with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. For the cow pose. Inhale deeply, arch your back, drop your belly toward the floor, and lift your head and tailbone upward for the cat pose. Exhale as you round your back, tuck your chin to your chest, and draw your belly button toward your spine. Alternate between these poses, moving slowly with your breath for 5 to 8 rounds. Modifications for seniors. Perform this stretch seated in a chair. Place your hands on your thighs, arching your back forward on the inhale and rounding your back on the exhale. Use extra padding under your knees for comfort if kneeling. Benefits. This stretch gently loosens the spine, improves joint mobility, and helps you feel more limber throughout the day. Take a moment to try it. It's a great way to wake up your body and reduce stiffness. Just a few minutes can leave you feeling refreshed and ready to move. The seated forward fold is a calming stretch that improves hamstring flexibility and eases tension in the lower back, perfect for increasing mobility and reducing stiffness. How to perform the stretch. Sit on the floor with your legs extended straight in front of you. Inhale, sit up tall and reach your arms overhead. Exhale as you hinge at your hips, slowly reaching toward your toes. Stop when you feel a gentle stretch in your hamstrings or back. Hold the position for 15 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply. Safety tips: avoid rounding your back. Keep your spine long and chest lifted as you fold. Bend your knees slightly if keeping your legs straight feels uncomfortable. Modifications: using props. Use a towel or resistance band around your feet to help guide your stretch. Sit on a cushion or folded blanket to elevate your hips for added comfort. Remember, this stretch is about feeling good, not forcing it. Go at your own pace and celebrate small improvements in flexibility over time. Suggested weekly routine: bodyweight squats 3 times a week, 10 to 15 reps per session. Wall push-ups 3 times a week, 8 to 12 reps per session. Deadlifts with light weights or bands 2 times a week, 8 to 10 reps per session. Single leg stands daily, 10 seconds per leg, 2 to 3 rounds. Heel to toe walk 3 times a week, 10 to 15 steps, 2 rounds per session. Side leg raises 3 times a week, 8 to 12 reps per leg. Cat-cow stretch daily, 5 to 8 rounds to loosen your spine. Seated forward fold 3 to 4 times a week, holding for 15 to 30 seconds. This schedule keeps your body moving while giving your muscles time to recover and grow stronger. If you're short on time, try this quick workout that includes all 8 exercises. It's perfect to start your day or squeeze into a busy schedule. Bodyweight squats, 1 minute. Perform as many squats as you can with good form. Wall push-ups, 1 minute. Do a steady set of push-ups, adjusting your distance from the wall for challenge. Deadlifts with light weights or bands, 1 minute. Focus on slow, controlled movements to engage your core. Single leg stands, 1 minute. Alternate legs, holding each for about 10 seconds. Heel to toe walk, 1 minute. Take slow, deliberate steps as if walking on a tightrope. Side leg raises, 1 minute. Alternate legs, focusing on controlled lifts. Cat-cow stretch, 2 minutes. Flow between cat and cow, breathing deeply to release tension. Seated forward fold, 2 minutes. Stretch your hamstrings and lower back gently, holding the pose and relaxing into it. This 10-minute routine is simple, effective, and easy to stick to. Whether you're just starting or looking to stay active, these exercises are your path to feeling stronger, more flexible, and full of energy. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. You've got this. Let's quickly recap the 8 exercises we covered today. Bodyweight squats, wall push-ups, deadlifts, single leg stands, heel to toe walk, side leg raises, cat-cow stretch, and seated forward fold. These moves work together to improve your strength, balance, flexibility, and overall health, helping you feel more confident and energetic after 60. Remember, staying consistent is the secret to seeing results. Even a few minutes a day can make a big difference. So keep moving, keep challenging yourself, and celebrate your progress along the way. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more practical tips to stay active and healthy after 60. Let's keep working toward a stronger, healthier you, one step at a time.